Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Google Pixel 10. Okay, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the recommended method, when we have access to the phone and when everything is responsive, is reset using the settings. Open them up. Now scroll down until you find the system. And in here, scroll down a little until you find the reset options. They're on the bottom. We are interested in erase all data, factory reset option, but in here, besides, we can also reset mobile network settings, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, app preferences, we can erase the eSIMs or delete the private space. But let's click the last option. You need to remember that during the factory reset, all of your data will be deleted from your device. So for example, if everything is responsive, you can create a backup of your data if you want to restore it in the future. If you don't know how to create it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you everything how to do it step by step. Now simply click on erase all data. When you click on that, your device will be turned off, then it will be turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. That's the first method. Now let's go into the second one, which is reset through the recovery mode. This method is recommended, for example, when the phone is lagged, frozen, and basically when it's unresponsive. To perform that reset, let's power off our device first. Let's click the power button and volume up button to launch the power menu, and now select the power off. Now let's wait a few seconds until the phone's completely shut down. And now, to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume down button for a while. Okay, as you can see, the Fastboot mode launched first. Now, using the volume keys, we need to find the recovery mode right in here. And now to enter it, click the power button. Let's wait a little. Now the Android logo appeared and says no command. Now to move forward, we need to hold the power button, and then while we are holding it, we need to tap the volume up. Just like that. Now we are in the recovery mode. Using volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset, and now confirm by clicking the power button. Remember that all of your data will be also erased. That's what factory reset does. Select it, click the power button. We can now see on the bottom that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now, click the power button, and now within a few seconds the device will be turned on, and the next thing that we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.